So this morning's breakfast is going to be the Walmart Great Value Light Peach Non-Fat Yogurt. So yesterday I tried the strawberry. Actually, no. Did I think I tried the strawberry or did I try the blueberry? I think it was the blueberry. Not a big fan of peach flavored products, so I like very few peach flavored products. It's kind of the same thing with like cherry. I just don't like peach. I don't think peach tastes like medicine though. It's not like cherry where I think some things taste like medicine, but um, I just always thought peach. It's like I don't know. I always thought it was like really gross tasting or something. I never really cared for like sliced peaches are pretty good. Like the sliced peaches or even but like peach flavored products like the artificial peach flavored. But this is actually real peach, but I mean like other products that are not artificial. They just don't even taste anything like peach. So anyway, this is pretty good. I definitely like the blueberry one already, but this one's pretty good. I definitely like the blueberry one. It's a little bit good. It's actually really good. It tastes like blueberry muffins. Anyway, I'd give this on a scale rating of 1 to 10. I could probably give this maybe a 6. It's pretty good, but it's not that good. Tomorrow's a strawberry one.